What's up, guys? It's Jay. Today we're going to start the cleanup on these two awesome planes. This is a Craftsman, this one is a Dunlop. So yeah, this is going to be cool, man. Hopefully we can get them nice and shiny and put them to use on probably the guitar builds. So without further ado, let's get to it. Let's get to taking these babies apart. Looks like the wood's in pretty good shape. Looks like they're all in pretty good shape. All right, cool. Well, we got them apart. I'm going to separate them now and put them in their own separate baths of evaporust. I wouldn't mind trying to preserve the old Craftsman logo that's on there. So I need to think about that. But the rest of the parts, except the wood pieces, we can go ahead and soak in some evaporust. So yeah, well, let's get them soaking. So now that we're soaking in evaporust for potentially a day, maybe 2 days, it's hard to say depending on the tools, some are different. I'm going to try and clean up the bottom here, and I think I am going to try and save the original Craftsman sticker and logo the best I can. It does have some paint left on the inside, so I think we might be able to get away trying to just clean her up, and then I'm going to do, this is going to get all cleaned up, but I don't think this needs a soak. So we'll work on that a little bit. And that might be a little too aggressive. Now we're going to hit her with some sanding, 80 grit. Now we'll start breaking down some of this rust. So the real stiff bristle brass brush and this brush was okay. Proved to be a little too aggressive, that one, so toothbrush got most of the dirt off the top and hit it with some 80 grit quick, really cleaned up the bottom nice. Probably I'm going to go over right now by hand with some 100 grit and then maybe up to like a 220. But yeah, cleaned up beautifully. So far, so good. So in keeping with my hot rodding these old tools, maybe a little engine turning on the side. What say you? Let's try it, see what we get. All right, guys, well, the purists are going to be hating, but I had to do a little engine turning on the sides, match my table saw. I like the hot rodded old tools. So we're going to try and clean this paint up. I want to preserve the paint and the sticker, so I think just a little bit of rubbing alcohol hopefully will do the trick, and we'll take it from there. I'm reluctant to use Goo Gone because I want to keep that sticker, if at all possible. All right, cool, let's get to it. Goo Gone seems to be working in the back half here pretty well, taking off some of the old residue. So I think I might just spray it on the rag and very lightly go around the sticker area. I don't want to like let it soak where the sticker is, but this seems to be working real well, cleaning up that old black paint. All right, guys. Well, we got about as far as we could on the Craftsman plane, and it is looking awesome. I'm really excited. But now it's we're waiting on our Evaporust soak. All the goodness is soaking in there, and the wood came out really beautiful, man. I don't think I have to do anything with this. Just a little Goo Gone on there, and you know, there's some scarring and some personality to it, but I think that's what makes it a cool vintage tool. You can still get them red hues coming through, and they shined up pretty nice with just some Goo Gone, clean off any dust or residue on there. But I think we're going to keep the wood hardware without, I'm not going to sand it. I don't want to ruin the patina. Very cool. So that'll do it. We're going to soak in Evaporust, and then the next time we see you guys, we will be putting it back together, which will be exciting, and polishing and fit and finish, all that, maybe sharpen the blades. So until then, you know, we'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to like, subscribe to our channel if you haven't already and you like our content. Hit the bell, notification bell. It lets you know when we're releasing new stuff. And if you guys are going to shop on Amazon, please click any of our links below. Even if it's not for that particular product, we are an Amazon affiliate, and that really helps support our channel. So we'll see you next time. Until next time, guys, always create.